अभी की जो सिचुएशन की बात की कि पंजाब और हरियाणा के किसान जो धरना दे रहे हैं, बिहार के लोग नहीं दे रहे हैं, उसका कारण ये है कि कहीं न कहीं संपन्नता या कुछ जो आप लोगों ने सबको स्वावलंबी बनाया है, वो भी एक कारण है। और आपने प्रधानमंत्री जी के एक काम की जो तारीफ़ की है, मुझे आशा है कि आपका जो ये ध्येय है, ये बिहार को और पूरे देश को आगे ले जाएगा। हम लोग आपके लिए आभारी हैं कि आपने हमारा कार्यक्रम जॉइन किया और कभी न कभी हम लोग दोबारा फिर इस बार तो ऑनलाइन मिले हैं, दोबारा कहीं न कहीं आपको फ्यूचर में मिलेंगे। और हम लोग शिक्षा में काम करते हैं, अगर इस बिहार में कुछ भी स्कूलों में शिक्षा में कुछ काम करना है, तो हम लोग आपके लिए उपयोगी साबित होंगे। धन्यवाद। नाउ वी हैव द मिनिस्टर बैक अगेन, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर। We apologize for the poor network. So नेटवर्क डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था। सो हमारे जो माननीय मंत्री जी अपना जो वक्तव्य कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए। So I request honorable minister to please log in. Yes, sir, now you log in. Yes, sir, now you log in.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
To all the academics in different field from different part of the country participating in this national conference on integrating inspiring story of Man Ki Baat in education. The organizer of this conference and the partner of the organizers, ladies and gentlemen who are joining the conference all lines. It is indeed a moment of privilege for me to join the conference to all enrich myself with brainstorming idea in the galaxy of academicians, media, professional, environmentalists, entrepreneurship, advancer, sport persons, artists, promote of education toward designing a new roadmap and other experts from different fields. Inclusive education, according to UNESCO, means that the school can provide a good education to all students in respective of their varying abilities. All children will be treated with respect and ensure equal opportunities to learn together. Inclusive education means all learners, young people without disability being able to learn together in ordinary preschool schools and the community educational sitting with appropriate network of support service. Inclusive education refer to an education system that accommodates all children in the spirit of their physical, intellectual, social, emotional, linguistic, or other conditions. For the development of social skills and the better social interaction of the students, inclusive education in the need of education system. UNICEF report on the year 2000, there are 30 billion in India suffering from some from disability. The 6th All India Education Survey NCERT 1998 reported out of India 200 million school-going children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. 20 million require special need education, while the national average of gross enrollment in schools is over 90%, less than 5% of the children with this.
Honorable Minister is disconnected now. We'll wait for a moment to reconnect him. Yeah.
Sir, request to unmute. Request to unmute.
Thus, it is necessary to explore current status of inclusive education in India, as well as problems, prospects, challenges related to its expansions in the country. For life to go on, change in predictable, change in never, especially when it is involves a larger number of individuals and an established system, yet change in necessary when innovative practice, democratic, greater effectiveness than past service. As of teaching assistant of specialists, inclusive curriculum are parent involvement are the basic element towards achieving inclusive education. To realize inclusive education, we need to ensure that educators have the training, flexibility, and the resource to teach students with diverse needs and the learning style to provide sufficient and sustainable financial support to schools, to empower parents to assert their children's right to education, to enable to entire community, including mainstream and the special educator, social worker, parents, and the student to work together and participate in the design, delivery, and the monitoring of education, and to hold governments accountable for implementing anti-discrimination legislations, legal mandates for inclusion, and policy to move bias. However, achieving such inclusive education in India has to go through several obstacles and the challenge like lack of well-educated teacher, curriculum, resource, goods, infrastructure, and the facility awareness, positive attitude plans, policy are creating hurdles in the relation of inclusive education in India. One of the serious problems is to prepare good, effect, and the competent teacher who can lead and the practice inclusive adequately. Coming to the initiative taken up by the government of Manipur in this regard, I have to say that state government have constituted a state-level task force and the sub-task force for implementation of National Education Policy 2020 in later and the split, and this will further go to reflect inclusive education in view of optimizing and the opportunities of the Act East policy under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Our focus in on reorienting and re-emerging education in influence to the states, closeness to the Southeast Asia country, and preparing the students to meet the challenge of a globalized world, and also with the vision of exploiting academic talents. To Southeast Asia countries, the state government is committed to explore possibility and the feasibility to visuals the same with a comprehensive packaging of inclusive education. The state government in Manipur is working on a robust roadmap to realize vocational education and soft skill to enhance employability and productivity, and our individuals would be to empower the difference-able poor and the marginalized children to be benefit from this vocational and the soft skills trainings. New vista of
Okay. Again, the Honorable Minister is disconnected.
I think this is a problem with a network issue at Tripura.
Manipur. We've again lost connection from Manipur. So we must thank you, the Honorable Minister, in spite of network challenges. He is trying to join again and again, and that so that his interest toward education and to listening us and to sharing his views with us. Now we'll move further. We'll invite next speaker, Yash Sharma. Yash Sharma is there. Yash Sharma is a City Angel Network from Udaipur, Rajasthan. The minister came, no? Yes, sir. Please come in.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. Yeah.
Namaskar.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. So,
Good afternoon.
start with
I think
thanking Green Mentors. So, सबसे पहले मैं Green Mentors को बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया.
Can we continue with the minister? Just he need to finish. Then we come. We will invite.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, go ahead.
Please, just bear a few moments with us. Yeah. Honorable Minister, Rajan Singh ji. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you're back. Yeah.
continue my speech.
Yes, sir. Please continue. Yeah, please continue. Yeah.
New vista of higher and technical education have been opened up in the state with the establishment of public and the private university. Now we have focused on improving the government schools and to school is in all the 60 assembly constituency of the state. I have been selected under the Fagalanji mission to refine the selected school as model school in their locality, to bring schools dropouts children into the mainstream education. Is also state governments gradually implementing missions with a vision to provide free and the compulsory educations even to the most marginalized state of children. Coming to the conclusion, I sincerely appeal to all the illuminating minds in this conference and all the stakeholders in the promotion of education to contribute whatever you can in the realizations of this noble cause of inclusive education. Thank you.
So thank you very much, sir, for taking time for us. Hello. So thank you so much for taking time for us in spite of a lot of challenges, connectivity challenges, and your views and your speech were very grateful, inspiring, and the way you are working in Manipur and your commitment to take Manipur education to next level is great, and we salute your work. And thank you so much. Now we have next speaker, Mr. Yes Sharma. Yes Sharma now coming. Yeah. Yes Sharma, are you there?
Yes, namaskar. So, thank you so much for bringing me here. सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ ग्रीन मेंटर्स का, जिन्होंने इतनी अच्छी कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया है और सभी इन स्टोरीज को एक क्लब करने का जो आपका ये इनिशिएटिव है काफी अच्छा लगा और बहुत सारे लोगों की बातें हमने सुनी, सीनियर सिटीजन की सुनी और मिनिस्टर साहब की सुनी, सब कुछ सुन के ऐसा लगा बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है और कुछ अच्छे की तरफ हम बढ़ रहे हैं, एक दूसरे से इंस्पायर होने के लिए हम चल रहे हैं और आप जो सब लोगों को एक ही पोर्टल पे लाए हैं, ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है आप लोगों का। तो मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ सीधा मेरे टॉपिक पे और सभी सुनने वालों को नमस्कार। और मेरा टॉपिक ये है, आई एम वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स द एथिकल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन इंटरनेट। सो